Good morning and welcome to Ignite India Education. We are here again back because we got a lot of queries and we are here to answer all of your questions. Through Instagram, we have received a lot of inquiries regarding the NIFT cutoff and when counseling will start. So counseling will start in end of June probably or July after the all PG programs interview will gets over. So and situation test update will be updated soon on the NIFT website. NIFT is also deciding to take a call on situation test, so soon you will be updated. You should keep checking NIFT website. Also, we will be updating you on the Ignite India YouTube channel and Instagram of Ignite India. Yesterday we have discussed about the portfolio. As discussed, you can go to Behance, you can visit Pinterest, you can visit other website where you will see all the details. So this is a time when you all should stay in home, stay safe, don't panic. And cut up and other things we will be previous year PDF we will be keeping in the Ignite India app. There you can go and download the complete cutoff, and around 4,000 sheets are there, including all NIFT centered UG and PG programs. So you will get detail when these will be announced on the NIFT website and when counseling will start. So probably this year also counseling will be online and you need to choose your seat through online. Soon we will be posting regarding the documents, what all document is required for your counseling. You can see the previous year videos which we have posted related to counseling. And meanwhile, as discussed yesterday video, you can check. You can start making the digital portfolio. For digital portfolio, you can go and do your research on Behance.com. Also in Pinterest, you can see ideas. So first you make your basic ideas, and then as based on your work, you can click picture. You can do some additional work to improve your presentation, and then you can go ahead and make a small digital portfolio using the softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. And the digital portfolio you should make very carefully. Also you should save it properly. You can save your digital portfolio, you can save for web, so the file size will be reduced, and when you will be sending anybody, the attachment will be in very limited, like small size, and the quality will be good. So you always whenever you save, you should save publish for web. So this option is there in the Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. You can use this option, publish for web. So file size should be small, but quality will be really good. So visually it will look good, but size will be small. So these are the things these are the tips which you can follow. I hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next video with new updates. Good luck, take care.